Alright, I'm here with a trade recap on how I took two trades, lost both of them today. I'm gonna just get right into it. So coming to the day, I had a mixed bias. Um, Reason being, we are near all-time highs. However, we displaced lower from all-time highs. We got close, made a relative equal low with this new week opening gap over here, which was my draw. Um, and we also started to displace lower through all these lows. Looked like we were gonna disrespect and inverse this 4 hour gap, which we did end up doing. Uh, and ES was nearing the previous day low. So right at market open, market went down, price shot down, and from here opened up a 5 minute gap somewhere. Yeah, opened up this 5 minute gap. And what am I looking for? And I started wanting to get a short from this 5 minute gap. However, there was no entry. Nothing here was clean at all. So I didn't enter. Then the high got reswept and swept out this high and hit this 15 minute gap. And right away got this 1 minute inversion, which is where I entered the first trade. This is just regular continuation model that I take. My internal target was the fact that we had a relative equal low with the previous day low on ES. And that previous day low is, where is it? It's a bunch of low resistance liquidity. Was a pretty clear draw in my opinion, and it did end up getting hit later in the day, like an hour and a half after. So I'm not upset about the two losses. So yeah, the first entry was just off of the inversion of this 1 minute gap right here, and it instantly stopped out. I think my SL was here or here. Oh, I did have my SL. Okay, my SL was all the way there. It got stopped out. And then it reswept the high. Made an SMT somewhere. Well, yeah, there was just an SMT here still. And there was a 5 minute inversion, which the displacement was good. It inversed within the first two candles. Good break-even spot right here. And yeah, over here it did like start to chop a little bit prior, like before the entry, but there was like a 3 minute here. It looked like it just accumulated, manipulated, distributed, and then got the close of the 5 minute around here, which is where I entered. And then this also ended up stopping me out. I had my stop loss somewhere over here, but I was copy trading it on my eval with the eval as the leader, and then my eval got blown, so it closed on my live account too. But whatever, it saved me a couple points on my live account. But yeah, 0-2 on the day. Not upset that I took it because my draw did end up being right. And although we are near all-time highs, I allow myself to short all-time highs when we have something like this. Like we have a draw, we have this 4 hour inversion that shows, okay, we're not respecting bullish price action and bullish PD arrays. And that's why I was bearish. And that's why I want to take this short. So yeah, I usually record a trade recap right when the AM session is over, but today I didn't have time to because I had to go take an exam. I was in a rush to get to class. So yeah, this was the first trade that actually like wasn't a break even on my live account. So no wins on it, just these two losses. And I'm fine with it. I'm not upset about it. I didn't crash out. I wasn't pissed that it lost. Nothing at all. I'm glad that I finally got a trade in so I can stop worrying, like thinking, oh, am I able to, like, is my psychology good enough to trade it with my own live funds or whatever, knowing that I risked my own money. Uh, and I guess it's fine because I just lost two trades. They were both good setups and not phased. I didn't care. I was fine with it. I know that they win majority of the time, and I just got unlucky, caught in weird price action. There was FOMC later in the day, which could have been a factor on why this happened, but not an excuse. I chose to trade. I've seen a lot of FOMC days work. And especially the setup was pretty clear to me, so I was cool with taking it. And yeah, happy with the losses, journaled it, and I'm gonna continue backtesting, seeing what else I can add to my strategy to increase my trade frequency, because my trade frequency just hasn't been it for the past, like, this whole year, and I'm tired of it, tired of getting on the charts, waiting for nothing to happen. And yeah, I'll next time I take a trade, I will record another recap for it, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video.